Darud. Would you believe this legendary dish started with leftover meat? Hi, I'm a home chef from foodies and today we are making Mutton Jhal Farezi. It's a 200 years old recipe that is still popular among the British. It's fiery, full of flavors and straight from the colonial Bengal. So, let's have a look at the ingredients first. We will need 600 grams of mutton, 3 medium onions quartered, 2 whole garlic bulbs peeled, 3 tomatoes, 1 capsicum, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, half teaspoon garam masala, basic whole spices, 4 to 5 dry red chillies, 1 inch cinnamon, 3 cardamom, 4 cloves, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, 2 bay leaf, 3 to 4 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon ghee and salt. Heat oil in a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and temper with the whole spices. Add plenty of dry red chilies. This is the only source of heat in the dish, so add lots of it. Add onions, tomatoes, ginger, garlic and about 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add coriander powder, jeera powder and saute till the onions are translucent. Now toss in the mutton chunks and about 1 tablespoon of salt. Cook the mutton for 7 to 10 minutes until it changes color. There's a bit of a story behind Jhal Farezi. So during the British era, the Britishers had Indian cooks or khansamas and they would prepare meat called cold cuts, especially during the festivals. So during the festivities, when there was lots of leftover meat, the Sahibs would order the khansamas to prepare a new dish from the leftover meat, which was typically fried dishes or dry curries, which eventually led to the creation of Mutton Jhal Farezi, where jhal is spicy and farezi is hot fried. After 10 minutes, add about 1 cup of hot water. Close the lid, cook for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, the mutton was still a little hard, so I'm pressure cooking for 1 whistle. See, the oil has separated and the mutton is soft and tender. Some boil the mutton first, but I prefer cooking it this way so it absorbs all the flavors from the very start. Now we will saute some capsicum and tomatoes for a mild, spicy, tangy flavors of Jhal Farezi. You can finish it in the cooker, but I am moving mine to a kadai. Mix everything and saute until the gravy thickens. You can always adjust the gravy as you like. Soft, tender and deep brown, it smells amazing. My neighbors might already be hungry. Sprinkle some garam masala at the end, garnish with coriander and serve hot with any bread of your choice. Follow foodies for more such interesting stories and ideas on how you can use leftovers to create some amazing recipes.